You can install the Nuki Keypad on the outside of your entrance area in just a few minutes. You can choose whether you want to glue it to your door frame or to the outside of your door. Please note that this video addresses the installation of the Keypad 2.0. For installing a keypad of the first generation, please see the linked video. Your keypad typically comes with everything needed to install it. No additional tools needed. The adhesive tape is attached to the back side of the keypad and will safely hold it in place once installed. Additionally, you will need an alcohol-based substance to clean the area you want to install it to. To install the keypad, first choose the area you want to glue it to on the outside of your door, door frame, or any other smooth surface such as a mailbox. The keypad must be installed within Bluetooth range of the Smart Lock to work properly. Clean the chosen area with an alcohol-based solution until it's free of dirt and grease. Your keypad comes with a mounting plate where the adhesive tape is attached. Detach the keypad from the mounting plate by sliding the keypad upwards. Pull off the red cover of the adhesive tape and press the mounting plate in place. Reattach the keypad by sliding it downwards onto the mounting plate. And you're done! To set up the keypad, go to the main menu of your Nuki app. Now, select Manage My Devices and choose Keypad. Choose the Smart Lock or other Nuki access solution you want to connect the keypad to. You can even choose a Smart Lock already connected to a keypad and transfer all existing data, such as entry codes and permissions, to your new keypad. Then, bring the keypad into maintenance mode by pressing the back key for 5 seconds until the LEDs on the keypad are flashing. The keypad now automatically connects with the chosen Smart Lock. Set a 6-digit secure code that will protect your keypad from unauthorized access. This code is like the PIN code for your credit card. Do not share it. Choose a unique combination you can easily remember and write it down or file it with your important data. Your keypad and Smart Lock are now being paired. To further personalize your keypad, you can now create your first entry code and add a fingerprint for even more comfort. You can find a detailed how-to in the next videos.